Stop by and take a look at the 2018 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, four-wheel drive, running boards, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.